last several years. Maybe I started it from my youth years. We have, our style is that we go to the slum areas, poor areas where there is poverty, and we start our projects. We find a team, local people there, and we entrust them with the mission, and we take actions. We are very quick to take action. This is our motto, that we keep on studying and waiting and analyzing, and it wastes a lot of time. Poverty is there. We can see it with our own eyes, and people are in very sad and bad conditions. They need.
What actions do you take?
Yes. We put up some schools, then we try to put up some vocational centers, and we have clinics. We have clinics in several areas, and then we try to put people, to guide them to earn something for themselves. Instead of, we give them loans, we listen to them, we try to solve their monetary problems wherever it is possible. And one portion of our efforts is that we, like somebody says, putting out the fire. So where there is hunger, there is nobody to earn anything, the women, widow with children, small children, and so we give them ration on monthly basis. We have a registration system, so every month automatically they get ration.
How much do you spend a month in a year?
This is a very difficult question, but it can be, it's in millions.
10 million, 100 million, billion.
ये डायरेक्ट सवाल है,
Yeah,
ये तौर पे इसका जवाब देता हूं, 1-to-1 में वैसे सिम्टमेटिक जो है ना वो अप्रोच है, सिम्टम्स को जैसे कहने के फायर फाइटिंग में बेसिकली कोई बीमार है तो इलाज करवा रहे हैं, स्कूल में दाखिला ले वो करवा रहे हैं। हाँ, मैं वही अर्ज कर रहा हूँ, सिम्टम्स की हम कर रहे हैं, और ये भी है कि बाज़ों का लोगों को माहाना स्टाइपेंड्स दे रहे हैं, किसी का राशन भेजते हैं, ये सारी जो है ना वो इम्पल्सिव रिस्पॉन्स है, तो उसको ऑर्गेनाइज करने की कोशिश है यहाँ पे। देखते हैं कि क्या विजन है, हम लोग अलाइन करने की कोशिश करेंगे पावर्टी को रिड्यूस करना और एरेडिकेट करना। वो कौन से इंस्टीट्यूशंस या कौन से प्रोसेसेस इन प्लेस करने हैं, तो वो फिर इस थीम को एड्रेस करेंगे रादर देन इंडिविजुअल्स को।
Yes, what I have listened to you. It's a good idea to give people small businesses with small amount, and they can earn living for themselves. It's a very good idea. I remember I've been preaching this idea that we should have a TV channel of our own, which can project this idea, which can teach people how to earn living. It can float the idea to the young people that you can do this. Don't go to politics. Go to economy.
I can give you a TV channel today. Where is the content?
हाँ,
Why not?
कंटेंट कहाँ है? मतलब वही चीज़ मेरी बात सुनिए कि जो सवालात उठेंगे ना उनके जवाब भी यहीं से हासिल करते हो कि ये कह रहे हैं कि मैं आपको एक दिन में टीवी चैनल दे सकता हूँ, यू कैन डू इट, क्योंकि टेक्नोलॉजी जो है ना हमें पता नहीं है कि क्या उसके इस्तेमालात हो सकते हैं।
मैं एग्जिस्टिंग टीवी चैनल को आपके पास लाके खड़ा कर दूंगा, ये बैठे हैं
आप 24 घंटे उस पर आइडियाज अपने फ्लोट करें। हाँ, तो हम जाहिर है, मैं ये तो नहीं कह रहा कि बटन दबा के आप सारा कुछ निकालें, मतलब आपसे हमें आइडियाज मिले हाउ टू डू इट।
मेरा सवाल है कि आपके पास कंटेंट मौजूद है या बनाएंगे?
नहीं, अब हम बनाएंगे, आपके साथ मिलकर बना लेते हैं। हमारे तो देखें, हमारे जो कंटेंट्स हैं वो तो हैं कि हम जिस इलाके में काम करते हैं वहाँ पे हम लोगों की गुर्बत दूर करने के लिए उन्हें कर्जा भी दे देते हैं, हम उन्हें ठेला भी लगवा देते हैं, हम उन्हें औजार भी दिलवा देते हैं। ठीक है जी। अब बात यह है कि हम ये भी समझते हैं कि अगर वहाँ पे एक क्लिनिक है और एक बंदे को बीमारी का इलाज है, या हमारे हॉस्पिटल हैं 3-4, उसमें बंदा जाता है तो वो पैसे बचते हैं, उसके इलाज उसका मुफ्त हो जाता है, थोड़ा बहुत सपोर्ट हो जाती है। यस, वी लैक systems. We are not very organized. We have to accept, we have to admit.
judicial history.
Yes, we need a person like you who can support us. Like this idea of a TV channel, where if somebody is looking at it, and now you see everybody has a TV in the house, and 100 rupees, 200 rupees for the cable. You
Those
can
who
watch
have
100
it
channels.
Can have in their mobile television.
Yeah.
Those who don't have the TV, they can have it in their mobile television.
Anyway, people have TV now. They can watch TV anywhere. They can buy a TV 1500 to 2000 rupees. So if there is a 24 hours preaching on the television that come to economy, don't go to politics, and see what you can do with 10,000 rupees or 20,000 rupees, or you can do it with your hands. You can do it together. I think it will
My
affect.
question is very simple.
Yeah.
For the last 3 months, I've been doing nothing but trying to find business ideas
Yes.
of what can be started in 10,000 rupees and what can produce 30,000 a month.
Yes.
Nobody seems to have the answer. Every person I go to, he will tell me 10,000 rupees, you cannot start a business. Moment
Yes,
I go to
we
somebody,
have to find. We have to.
As a matter of fact, it is a question of exposure. If you meet a poor, for example, they have the answer. Because they
I
have,
met with them also, I
Yes,
did
of course.
interviews and
they have doled out thousands of loans of 10,000 rupees each, and the people are making money out of it. So there are answers available.
There are
We need to
several
collect.
answers we can find. We can find for you.
I think
Uh,
what we can do is to try to consolidate concepts
yes.
which can be scaled and expanded, and which have the potential. Telephone
मोबाइल
बंद
बंद कर दे
कर
भैया नदीम भाई
जी जी
बंद ही कर दे
जी हाँ
कुछ दिन के लिए बंद कर वो the equation of millions, less than million, you will not be able to help Pakistan at all. So if it is million and then you make it millions, that can solve. So we can put all our effort, our time, our energies together to realize that one, that dream, if we can. So let us try to study what it is.
so
Because all of these people are volunteers.
Once we floated the idea, like somebody selling ice cream, boiled ice cream on bicycle. I think we discussed with Mr. Mazahir here that in these areas, a cycle shop idea is there. You give somebody a cycle,
A blended
he puts the tea and some achar and some masalas over there and some eatables, and he is going through some street.
So I'll rephrase what you have told me so far.
Yeah,
You have been doing this at least for 20 years,
yes,
and you create schools, clinics and technical institutions to eradicate poverty.
yes.
Now I don't know of any school which
And
can
we
be,
give loans,
we give-
or we give
yeah,
just...
those are construction
yes,
investments, and
yes,
then you have loans and ration which will be on monthly basis.
yes.
In my,
Ration is for those who cannot earn
Correct.
anything. Yes,
so you invest on schools, which
yes.
is probably a lot of money. You invest on clinic, which is less than a lot of money. Then you invest in technical school, which can be 30 people or 100
Clinics is
people.
not less than what you say. Clinics is a bit more expensive than
school.
Yes.
स्कूल ऐसे है कि एग्जिस्टिंग स्कूल्स हैं उसके गैप फुलफिल करते हैं
Okay.
उसमें ये हो जाता है कि टीचर दे दिया डेस्क दे
You know, we are also putting up our own school.
तो आप 3.25 लाख स्कूल है पाकिस्तान में हम कितने 20-25 बना सकते हैं तो वो जो मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ चैलेंज है ना
Selling much bigger.
हाँ is much bigger so we have got to have a matching kind of a solution.
So
अच्छा कुछ लोगों के तारुफ अभी नहीं हुए आपने करवा दिया आपके पीछे वालों ने करवा दी
मेरा नाम इजहार अहमद है और अल खैर वेलफेयर सोसाइटी के साथ मेरा ताल्लुक है इसी के साथ मिलकर
ये लिख लिया
मेरा नाम अब्दुल कयूम है मैं भी अल खैर सोसाइटी में काम करता हूँ मोहम्मद साजिद फ्रॉम अल खैर
So I think we can let us start the
Yes.
program. Please go ahead.
So, my intention here today is I was asked to bring a little bit of inspiration to mixing together to the poverty eradication and just to see maybe a few things from a different point of view. Would you like to sit somewhere on the side so you can see what I'm doing?
इधर आ रहे हैं
हाँ, इसको
अगर आपको ये कनेक्टिव नजर आ रहा है, वरना डॉक्टर वाटसन दरमियान में आए हुए हैं हमेशा।
मैं उधर आ जाऊँ।
हाँ, आप किसी ऐसी जगह पे आ जाए जहाँ पर आप
आप बैठ के जाओ।
जी अंदर टेबल पे रुकावट बने।